Hi students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, I am going to explain the concepts of circumcenter, orthocenter, incenter, centroid. Like these concepts with examples I am going to explain. After that, we will give example also for that particular concept. Once first we are going to discuss about circumcenter. First of all, what is the meaning of circumcenter? The point of concurrency of perpendicular bisectors of a triangle is called circumcenter. So this is the triangle. Triangle ABC. BC midpoint is D and AB, after CA you can take, CA midpoint is E and AB midpoint is F. Perpendicular bisector means the line which is passing through the midpoint of the side and opposite the vertex. So this is called perpendicular bisector. Next, perpendicular bisector of side AC. Next, perpendicular bisector of AB side. These perpendicular bisector which are intersecting at one point, that point is called circumcenter, which is denoted by S. Now, the definition of circumcenter is the point of concurrency of perpendicular bisectors of the triangle is called circumcenter of the triangle. One important point you have to remember, this circumcenter is equidistant from vertices of a triangle. That means SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. S is the circumcenter of the triangle, and by the definition of circumcenter, S is equidistant from vertices of a triangle. And one more property, if you draw the circle through the points A, B, C, this is called circumcircle, and the distance from circumcenter to the vertices, that means SA, SB and SC is equal to circumradius, which is equal to capital R is equal to circumradius. How to find out when 3 points is given? Suppose A is 1 point, B is 1 point and C is another point. This is the type 1 question, calculating the circumcenter. In boards it is very important for 7 marks, like when 3 points is given, how to calculate circumcenter of the triangle. First consider the rough diagram. ABC, draw the perpendicular bisectors. This is yes. By definition of circumcenter, before after first step is given vertices. First step, step 1. In that step 2, let S of x comma y be the circumcenter. After that, by definition, otherwise we have SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. In the next step, SA is equal to SB. Consider squaring on both sides and simplify. SA square equal to SB square. You will get one equation. Same procedure you have to follow. Again consider SB is equal to SC or SA is equal to SC. Generally I am taking here SB is equal to SC. Squaring on both sides. SB square equal to SC square. See, if you simplify you get one more equation. After that solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. We get S of x comma y, which is required circumcenter of the triangle. This is one type 1. What about the type 2? In type 2, they will give 3 lines. L1 equal to 0, L2 equal to 0 and L3 equal to 0. Find the circumcenter formed by the sides of the triangle with the lines L1, L2, L3. L1 equal to 0, L2 equal to 0, L3 equal to 0. First draw the rough diagram and write the lines, respective sides. And if you want to give points also you can give A, B, C. If you solve L1 and L3, that is depends on your, here L1, L3, L2 I am taking. If you want to take here L2, here L1, here L3, depends on your choice you can take. If you solve L1 and L3, you will get A point. If you solve L1 and L2, B point. If you solve L2 and L3, you will get C point. After getting up these vertices, again you have to follow type 1 procedure. Again, S of x comma y be the circumcenter of the triangle and consider SA equal to SB equal to SC and then proceed. You will get here, after getting the vertices of A, B, C, S of x comma y be the circumcenter. Now next step is SA is equal to SB, squaring on both sides, SA square equal to SB square. You will get one equation, that is fourth equation. Already 1, 2, 3 is over here. Here this is equation number 1, equation number 2 and equation number 3. Equation 4. Again consider SB square is equal to SC square. Directly I am writing. If you simplify, you will get this is equation number 5. Solving 4 and 5, you will get coordinates of circumcenter S of x comma y. Next, for example, find the circumcenter of the triangle whose vertices are 1, 3, minus 3, 5 and 5, minus 1. When 3 points is given, how to calculate circumcenter? I explained the procedure in type 1. See that. First write given vertices. First step, given vertices of the triangle. You can consider one is A. They did not mention, we can mention it here. B minus 3, 5 and C equal to 5, minus 1. After that, this is the first step. What is required to calculate circumcenter is required. That we have to write it. Let S of x comma y be the circumcenter of triangle ABC and draw the rough diagram. This is A, this is B, this is C. Here, these are the perpendicular bisectors. Here, this is S. We have, or by definition, we have SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. Distance from circumcenter to all the vertices is equal. That is the reason we have. Now first step is in this, consider SA is equal to SB. Squaring on both sides. SA square equal to SB square. That implies SA square means distance between these two. Whenever square is there without root, we have to write x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to SB square, x minus of minus 3, x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. That implies x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to x square plus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 10y plus 25. On both sides same values, we have to cancel it, x square plus y square, x square plus y square. Is there any chance to cancel it? Here 9 plus 9, here also plus 9. Now first x coefficient, x terms, after that y terms, after that constants. Here minus 2x. Here 6x, we are taking this side, minus 6x. First, next minus 6y. Minus 10y, we can take this side, plus 10y. Next, here constant, plus 1. Here constant, 25, we can take this side, minus 25. That implies minus 8x plus 4y minus 24 equal to 0. All are multiples of 4. So dividing by minus 4. Why? Because x coefficient I want to get positive. So dividing by minus 4, it will become 2x minus y plus 6 equal to 0. Keep that equation number 1. Same procedure you have to follow for SB equal to SC or SA equal to SC. Again consider SB is equal to SC, squaring on both sides, SB square equal to SC square. That implies distance between these two whole square, x minus of minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to SC square, x minus 5 whole square plus y minus of minus 1 whole square. Now expanding, x square plus 6x plus 9, y square minus 10y plus 25, x square minus 10x plus 25 plus y square plus 2y plus 1. Same side, both sides, x square plus y square plus 25. X square plus y square plus 25, you have to cancel it. First all x terms, 6x minus 10x, you can take this side, plus 10x minus 10y, 2y we can take this side, minus 2y. Here already plus 9 is there. Here 1 we can take this side, minus 1 equal to 0. That implies 6x plus 10x, 16x, minus 10y minus 2y minus 12y. 9 minus 1 is 8. Again all are multiples of 4. So dividing by 4, 4x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Equation number 2. Solving 1 and 2 equations. Solving 1 and 2. Either cross multiplication method or elimination method. Solving 1 and 2. I am going to do that cross multiplication method. In this equation, y coefficient is minus 1, constant is 6 and x coefficient is 2. Again y coefficient. In this equation, y coefficient is minus 3, constant is 2, x coefficient is 4. Again y coefficient is minus 3. In between first two columns x, in between next two columns 1, in between next two columns 1. This is the procedure of cross multiplication method for solving two equations. After that, keep arrow marks like this. X divided by minus 1 into 2 minus 2 minus 3 into 6 minus 18 minus of minus plus which is equal to y divided by 6 4s are 24, minus 2 into 2 4, 1 divided by 2 into minus 3 minus 6, minus 4 into minus 1 minus 4, that means minus of minus 4 plus 4, x divided by 16, y divided by 20 is equal to 1 by minus 2. Equating these two, x by 16 is equal to 1 by minus 2. That implies minus 2x is equal to 16, x is equal to minus 8. Y divided by 20 equal to 1 by minus 2. Cross multiply, minus 2y is equal to 20. Y is equal to minus 10. Therefore, the circumcenter of the triangle ABC is S of x comma y equal to S of minus 8 minus 10. In this question, when sides of the triangle is given, how to calculate circumcenter of the triangle? See, first find the circumcenter of the triangle whose sides are 3x minus 5 minus 5 equal to 0, x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, 5x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. What we have to do is, first step, here only can write, in examination separately can write, given sides, first equation, second equation and third equation. Here step is given equation of the sides of the triangle. Simply if you want to write it, given sides, equation 1, 2, 3. In the rough diagram it mentions that equation 1, 2, 3. This is A point, B point and C point. First you have to solve that three equations simultaneously and get the points of A, B, C. Solving 1 and 2, in cross multiplication method or any method you can do. But here I am doing that cross multiplication method, solving 1 and 2, minus 1, minus 5, 3 and minus 1, 2, minus 4, 1, 2, x, y, 1, x divided by 4 plus 10, y divided by minus 5 plus 12, 1 by 6 plus 1, x by 14, y by 7 equal to 1 by 7, x by 14 equal to 1 by 7, that implies 7x is equal to 14, x is equal to 2. Y by equating these two, y by 7 is equal to 1 by 7, that implies 7y is equal to 7, that implies y is equal to 1. Solving 1 and 2 in the diagram represents a point, therefore a of x comma y is equal to a of 2 comma 1. Next, solving 2 and 3 in the diagram is B. Solving 2 and 3 in second equation, here 2 minus 4 1 again 2 3 1 5 and again 3, x y 1, x divided by 2 minus of minus 12, y divided by minus 20 minus 1, 1 divided by 3 minus 10, x by 14, y by minus 21, 1 by minus 7, equating these two, x by 14 equal to 1 by minus 7, that implies minus 7x is equal to 14, x is equal to minus 2. Next, y by minus 21 equal to 1 by minus 7, minus minus get cancelled. 7y is equal to 21, y is equal to 3. So solving 2 and 3, which point we are getting here? B. Therefore b of x comma y, which is equal to b of minus 2 comma 3. And solving 3 and 1, solving 3 and 1. 3 and 1 means in third equation 3, 1, 5 and 3 again. Minus 1, minus 5, 3 and minus 1. X, y, 1. X divided by minus 15 plus 1. Y divided by 3 plus 25. 1 divided by minus 5 minus 9. So x by minus 14, y by 28, 1 by minus 14. Even if you want to cancel all of 14 table, you can cancel it, but no need. Equating these two, x by minus 14 equal to 1 by minus 14. That is equal to x is equal to 1. 14 ones are 14 ones are cancel. X is equal to 1. Y by 28 equal to 1 by minus 14. That implies 14 ones are 14 twos are here. Minus is there. So y equal to minus 2. So solving 3 and 1, it should be C. Therefore C point, C of x comma y is equal to C of 1 comma minus 2. After getting up these 3 points, again consider circumcenter. Let S of x comma y be the circumcenter of triangle ABC. Then we have SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. In the step, SA is equal to SB. Now consider SA is equal to SB. Squaring on both sides, SA square is equal to SB square. So SA square, which is the x value, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square, SB square, x minus of minus 2, x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Now expanding, x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9. On both sides, x square plus y square plus 4. These values will be cancelled. We can take this side minus 4x. This 4x also we can take this side minus 4x. Minus 2y minus 6y can take this side plus 6y plus 1. And here constant 9 we can take this side minus 9 equal to 0. Minus 8x plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. Dividing by minus 4. It will becomes 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Keep that equation number 4. Again consider SB equal to SC. Squaring on both sides. SB square equal to SC square. X B means x minus of minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to x minus 1 whole square plus y minus of minus 2 whole square. X square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 equal to x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square plus 4y plus 4. X square plus y square plus 4. X square plus y square plus 4 will be cancelled. First x terms 4x. Here minus 2x you can take this side plus 2x. Minus 6y. Here 4y you can take this side minus 4y. Here plus 9, gone we can take this side minus 1. 4x plus 2x is 6x. Minus 6y minus 4y is minus 10y. Plus 9 minus 1 is 8 equal to 0. That implies dividing by 2, 3x minus 5y plus 4 equal to 0. Equation number 5. Solving 4 and 5. Solving 4 and 5 by using cross multiplication method. Here in fourth equation y coefficient is minus 1, constant is 2 and x coefficient is 2, again y coefficient. In this fifth equation minus 5, 4, 3, again minus 5. Here x, here y, here 1. X divided by minus 4 plus 10. Y divided by 6 minus 8, which is equal to 1 by minus 10 plus 3. So x by 6 is equal to y by minus 2 equal to 1 by minus 7. Equating these two, x by 6 is equal to 1 by minus 7. That implies x is equal to minus 6 by 7. And y by minus 2 is equal to 1 by minus 7. Minus minus cancel. Y is equal to 2 by 7. Therefore, circumcenter of triangle ABC is S of x comma y equal to S of minus 6 by 7 comma 2 by 7. Next important concept, orthocenter of the triangle. First, what is the definition of orthocenter? See, consider a triangle. Take a name as ABC triangle. The point of concurrency of altitudes of the triangle. Altitude means the line which is passing through the opposite vertex and the side. This is one altitude. This is altitude through A to the opposite side BC, and the altitude through B and perpendicular to AC opposite side, and the altitude through C perpendicular to opposite side AB. The point of intersection or the point of concurrency of altitudes is called orthocenter. It is denoted by O, or someone is denoted as H of x comma y. So now, how to calculate orthocenter of the triangle when points is given? I am going to explain the procedure. Let h of x comma y be the orthocenter of the triangle. And observe that here AD is, we are assuming that AD is one altitude, BE is another altitude, and CF is another altitude. The point of concurrency of altitudes is called orthocenter. So, among these three altitudes, we required any two. Why? Because solving any two equations will get same point. Concurrency means what? Solving any 2 points, it satisfies the other line, then the point is point of concurrency. That is the reason among AD, BE and CF, we need to calculate, when points are given, we need to calculate any two altitudes. Now, 3 points is given. First step is step 1. I did not write the orthocenter. This is the concept of orthocenter. When 3 points is given, step 1. First calculate slope of BC by using the formula of y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And Slope of AD we don't know. We have to assume that M. Since AD is perpendicular to BC, whenever the two lines are perpendicular, that implies slope of AD into slope of BC equal to -1. Slope of AD is M and slope of BC is some value. You can keep like this only. So M is equal to slope of M is equal to -1 by slope of BC. That means if you want to calculate slope of AD, that means the reciprocal of -1 by slope of BC. After knowing the slope of AD, to calculate AD equation, slope of AD is M and passing through a point. Therefore, the equation of AD, altitude through a with slope M, with slope M. This is equation number 1. Same procedure we have to follow for in this step 2. What we are going to do is slope of AC or AD you can calculate. Generally slope of AC. Slope of AC is equal to, again, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. By using that formula we can calculate some value. Slope of this BE, we have to assume that M. We don't know means we are assuming that M. Since AC is perpendicular to BE, that implies product of two slopes. Slope of AC into slope of BC is equal to -1. I want slope of BE. So except the slope of BE, remaining we can take this side. That implies slope of AC is equal to -1 by slope of AC. Slope of it is what B required is B. That implies M is equal to -1 by slope of AC. After calculating our M value, the equation of BE, altitude, the equation of BE in brackets altitude through with slope M is which type of equation? This is equation number 2. Here, which equation we have to apply means we know that y minus y1 equal to M into x minus x1. This is equation number 1. In this M value is this we have to substitute, and in place of x1 y1, a point, altitude through A. This A point you can substitute. Here the equation of BE, altitude through B. Here also same formula, y minus y1 equal to M into x minus x1. Here M is equal to this slope, -1 by slope of AC, and passing through the point x1 y1 means B point. Now this is second equation. Now solving 1 and 2, we get orthocenter of the triangle ABC, that is h of x comma y or capital O of x comma y. Next example for orthocenter. Find the orthocenter of the triangle whose vertices are -5, -7, 13, 2 and -5, 6. First draw the diagram for this problem and plot the points also. First point you take as A, -5, -7, B point 13, 2 and C point -5, 6. These are the given vertices. First step you have to write like this. Given vertices of a triangle. A minus 5 comma minus 7. B 13 comma 2. And C minus 5 comma 6. After that, according to the procedure of orthocenter, we need to calculate two altitude equations. To calculate first altitude AD, D is not midpoint, you remember that? Slope of BC calculated. Slope of BC. By using the formula of y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, next step we won't write like this, you have to remember. x1 y1 x2 y2, 6 minus 2 4 by x2 minus x1 minus 5 minus 13 minus 18, which is equal to minus 2 by 9. Slope of AD is equal to m. Since AD is perpendicular to BC, that implies slope of AD into slope of BC is equal to minus 1. That implies slope of AD is equal to minus 1 by slope of BC. Slope of BC is what here? Minus 2 by 9. So denominator of denominator to become a numerator. Slope of AD what we have here? M. M is equal to 9 by 2. Slope we know that, and passing through which point AD equation is minus 5 comma minus. Therefore, the equation of AD altitude through A, the point you have to mention here, minus 5 minus 7 x1 y1, with slope m, is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, y minus of minus 7 plus 7, m value is 9 by 2, x minus of minus 5, cross multiply 2y plus 14 equal to 9x plus 45, 9x minus 2y plus 45 minus 14 equal to 0, 9x minus 2y plus 31 equal to 0. Equation number 1. This is equation of AD altitude. Same procedure you have to follow for that BE altitude. This is BE. To calculate BE slope, we need to calculate first slope of AC. Slope of AC is equal to, directly I am applying the formula, 6 minus of minus 7, 6 plus 7, y2 minus y1 by minus 5 minus 5, minus of minus 5. So 13 by 0. Don't write it as infinity, leave it like this. Let the slope of BE is equal to m. Since BE is perpendicular to AC, that implies slope of BE into slope of AC is equal to minus 1. Therefore, slope of BE is equal to minus 1 by slope of AC. Slope of BE is equal to m minus 1 by 13. Slope of AC 13 by 0. Denominator of denominator will become numerator. So 0 into anything is 0. So slope is 0. Slope of BE is 0. Therefore, the equation of BE altitude through B of which point is 13 comma 2, with slope m is, with slope m is y minus y1 equal to, this is x1 y1 now, m into x minus x1. So y minus 2 equal to m value is 0, x minus 13. So y minus 2 equal to 0 means y is equal to 2. Put that equation number 2. Equation 2 substitute in equation 1. Equation 2 substitute in equation 1. We get 9x minus 2 into 2 plus 31 equal to 0. 9x minus 4 plus 31 equal to 0. 9x equal to minus 27. X is equal to 9 3s are. So x is equal to minus 3. Therefore, the orthocenter of triangle ABC is h of x comma y equal to h of minus 3 comma 2. Next question. Find the orthocenter of the triangle whose sides are given by the straight lines 7x minus y minus 10 equal to 0, x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0, and x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. When sides of the triangle is given, previously we discussed when points is given, that means vertices of a triangle is given, we discussed in the previous problem. Now I am going to discuss the problem whose sides of the triangle is given. We are going to do that orthocenter. So first, given sides of a triangle, here only I am writing that all the sides. First side 7x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. I am keeping that equation number 1. On the second line, x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. I am keeping that second equation. And third equation is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. These are the first equation, second equation, and third equation. We required two altitudes. This is one altitude, this is another altitude. Suppose if you are assuming the points are A, B, C, I require A and any out among the 3 points, any 2 points is required. To get A point, you need to solve these 2 equations. If you want to get B point, solving 1 and 3. So what I am doing is solving 1 and 2 first thing. Solving 1 and 2 by using cross multiplication method here. 1 minus 10, otherwise elimination method I am going to do here. Here y is there, here minus 2y is there. This equation multiplying by 2. Equation 1 multiplying by 2, that implies 14x plus 2y minus 20 equal to 0. Equation 2 multiplying by 1, x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Plus 2y minus 2y is there, means you have to add both the equations. These two will be cancelled. 15x minus 20 plus 5 is minus 15 equal to 0. That implies 15x is equal to 15, x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, substitute either in first equation or second equation. X is equal to 1, substitute in equation 2. So 1 minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. That implies 2y equal to 6, y is equal to 3. Therefore, the coordinates of A of x comma y is equal to A of 1 comma 3. So here 1 comma 3. Next I want B value. B is solving 1 and 3. In first equation and third equation, here y is there, here also y is there. Solving 1 and 3, we get B of x comma y. Here also A of x comma y I have to write. Now I am writing b of x comma y. Equation 1 into 1, 7x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. Equation 3 into 1, same equation we are writing, that's all. X plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Subtracts both the equation. Whenever subtracting, sign change. Here minus, here minus, here minus. These two will be cancelled. 7x minus x is 6x. Minus 10 minus 2 is minus 12 equal to 0. That implies 6x is equal to 12. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Substitute in third equation. X is equal to 2. Substitute in equation 3. Then 2 plus y plus 2 equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 4. Therefore, the coordinates of b of x comma y is equal to 2 comma minus 4. Now, I am going to calculate slope of AD. This is AD equation, this is B. Slope of AD is equal to, from the diagram observe carefully, slope of AD is equal to minus 1 by slope of BC side. Minus 1 by slope of BC. BC equation means equation 3 only, no? Equation 3. BC represents equation 3. Equation, whenever it is in the form of ax plus by plus c, slope we can define as minus x coefficient by y coefficient. That means minus 1 by 1. That means minus 1. So which is equal to 1. Slope of AD is equal to 1. This equation is passing through which point? 1 comma 3. Therefore, the equation of AD altitude through A of 1 comma 3 x1 y1 with slope m is equal to 1 is m is equal to 1 means this value only. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 3 equal to 1 into x minus 1. That implies x minus y plus 3 minus 1. That means plus 2 equal to 0. Equation number 4. X, y we can take this as minus y. Minus 3 we can take this as plus 3. Plus 3 minus 1. So plus 2. Next same procedure you have to follow to get BE slope. To get BE slope, understand clearly here. BE is perpendicular to AC. So slope of, why we are writing this condition? This condition we are writing as AD is perpendicular to BC. That's why slope of AD is equal to minus 1 by slope of BC. Here also slope of BE I want. Slope of BE is equal to minus 1 by slope of AC. Since AC is perpendicular to BD, generally BE we will write. BE is perpendicular to AC. Slope of BE is equal to minus 1 by slope of AC means AC is what? This line, equation 2. It is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So slope of the line is minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Minus 1 by minus 2. Here minus is there, denominator of denominator to the numerator. Therefore, slope of BE is equal to minus 2. Whenever slope we got, this BE altitude is passing through 2 comma minus 4. Therefore, the equation of BE altitude through B of 2 comma minus 4 with slope m is equal to minus 2 is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus of minus 4 plus 4. M value is minus 2 into x minus 2. So y plus 4 equal to minus 2x plus 4. Both sides plus plus cancel. Plus 4 get cancelled. 2x you can take this side. Minus 2x you can take the plus 2x plus y equal to 0. Equation number 5. Now solving 4 and 5. Solving 4 and 5. in this equation I am following the elimination method here. X minus y plus 2 equal to 0. X 2x plus y equal to 0. Here minus y plus y is there, means we are adding both the equations. These two will be cancelled. X plus 2x is 3x plus 2 equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 by 3. X is equal to minus 2 by 3. Better to substitute in fifth equation. X is equal to minus 2 by 3. Substitute in equation 5. So 2 into minus 2 by 3 plus y equal to 0. That implies y is equal to minus 4 by 3. We can take this side, plus 4 by 3. Therefore, the coordinates of the orthocenter of triangle ABC is h of x comma y equal to h of minus 2 by 3 comma 4 by 2. Thank you for watching my videos. Please do subscribe and share to the needy people. And if you have any doubts regarding this chapter, and not only this chapter, any doubts are in there in mathematics intermediate or any CBS 11th or 12th or JEE MSET regarding, if you have any doubts, please write to my inbox. I will respond. Thank you very much.